Hi friends, today I will show you how to enable Digital Creator on Instagram. To do this, first go to your profile page, click on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down. Click on the Account Type and Tools option, then click Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next. From here, select Digital Creator and enable Display on Profile. Click Switch to Professional Account. Wait for the processing. Once it's done processing, you will be asked to select what type of professional you are, either creator or business. Select the correct option that matches you. Finally, it will ask you to enable certain settings, which you can do from here. Then you will be asked to set up your professional account with a few more steps. These include completing your profile, uploading a few videos, and things like that. After you've finished the previous steps, your professional digital creator account will be established. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.